Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting the cable and choosing the correct port type. This avoids handshake failures. Once plugged in, unlock the target device and select File Transfer or MTP when prompted so the system exposes storage. If using Windows, enable Autoplay or Open File Explorer. On Mac OS, open Finder or use Android File Transfer. Make sure you have a recent backup and at least a small block of free space. This prevents interruption when metadata or temp files are created. You now pick the files you want to move and decide whether to copy or move them. Copying preserves originals. Once done, drag and drop or use keyboard shortcuts. Watch the progress indicator for errors or stalls. If transferring many small files, compress into a single. Zip to speed things up and reduce file system overhead. Make sure the target has compatible file system format. XFAT for files over 4 GB versus FAT32 for You finish by confirming the transfer completed and then use safe eject or unmount on the host so write caches flush to disk. This prevents corruption. If something goes wrong, first try a different USB cable or port, then reboot both devices and repeat a small test copy. Make sure permissions allow writing and that the file system supports your file sizes. If errors persist, compress the file, split it into parts, or transfer via an alternate method, like network sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.